So I'm done cleaning. See you guys, this is sweat. Let's see, this is all sweat. If you now see my clothes there, see, very wet. Anywho's, I'll be going to two cities in my state tomorrow, Mumbai and Lonavala. I want to go get my NIN done. Hopefully it works, because there are rumors that it hasn't been working, but they gave me an appointment, not an appointment, they just told me to come at a designated time. And yeah, let's hope it works. I want to have my bath, go to my brother's house, have something to eat, make someone's hair, and I'll call it a night. Let's go.
Guys, so I'm done with making the birthday boy's hair. It was the birthday boy that I came to. It's the birthday boy I came to make his hair, to relock his hair rather. So we're done, and what did we even have? We had drinks and chicken wings that my brother made go. Anywho's, we're about to call it a night. If you like, no, call it a night, and you still know. Well, I'm about to call it a night. We're all about to call it a night because I'm very exhausted, and he is exhausted as well. So I'll catch you guys.
So we're back from the market. I'm marinating the chicken wings for barbecue chicken, and we have our chicken for the jollof rice. We have beef here for our suya, and yeah, I'm using this one to step down for now. We have a few drinks. Well, that's the update. Once I start cooking, I will let you guys on it. If you guys can see me, I'm all dressed. Which lift is coming? Or I would have shown you my outfit in the lift, but this one doesn't have a mirror. So guys, I'm going in a rickshaw. I'm not going with a private cab. I'm going to OTP. So I'm going in a rickshaw to the station, and I want to try the train. Someone recommended the train to me, so once I get there, I'll call her so that she can direct me. They said train is cheaper, and I've seen it. It's actually very cheap, unlike using a private cab. And I hope you guys can hear me. I am on a budget because this NIN I'm going to get done is impromptu, right? So like I said, on a budget. So but if I'm not able to find my way around the train because I don't want to get missing, I would enter a shared cab to Mumbai. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. I hope you guys can hear me. Hasi, so I drew anyways, but I don't think I'm in the right coach where I'm supposed to be. But a kind stranger offered me part of her seat, so I got my ticket. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys when, I hope you guys can hear me. I'll see you guys when we get to wherever I'm going to go. At this point, I don't even know. I'm calling my friend for updates so that I got me full. Anyway, see you guys. Bye. I kind of missed the station where I was supposed to come down at, because I don't know, in my head I was supposed to go to the last station. But anyways, I'm here and I'm in a cab heading to the office, the visa center. I am pretty exhausted, you guys. If someone's neck can fall off from sleeping, my neck would have fallen by now because I slept. If the journey was for 4 hours, I slept for like 2 hours 30 minutes, to be really honest. So anyways, you're on our way, and I hope I meet up with the timing. If you understand me, I'm coming from far big. Anyways, I'll see you guys there. So I'm done. I'm still in the building, but I wasn't really allowed to film we're not allowed to film in the office, but I was able to get my self when I was having my biometrics done. But anyways, I'm done. It was very stressful, to be really honest, aside the fact that I had to travel all the way from PUNE to Mumbai. But coming here, I spent let's say 20 minutes. Yeah, I was just doing one for today. So but anyways, let's head down to the Navla and have some fun. Ciao. You guys, I'm very tired. See, one of my nails has gone. In fact, two of my nails. I'm pretty exhausted. I think what I need is sleep, very sound sleep. I can wake up in the middle of the night and decide to enter the water again. Anyways, for now, let me just go and chill and have a drink. My voice is almost gone. We are calling it the 9th here. We have someone who just got here, so we want to open the gate for him. We are basically calling it the 9th for now. Me, I'm exhausted because I've been up since I think 4:30 a.m. So I've been up and doing. The only sleep I got today was to sleep in the train, and it wasn't it at all. I was just nodding my head. So but anyways, it's a 9th and let's go to bed. We're given some sort of discount for another day, so
we'll be spending another whole day today. Today we're in a new day. So yeah, see you guys in the morning. Ciao.
Okay, don't. You don't go sleep.
The voice is gone though. Hey guys, good morning. I think it's afternoon at this point. It's not been long I woke up. Like I said, we stayed up till dawn. Some people actually came to swim. But anyways, we might be leaving. I might be leaving or I might be staying back, depending. I'm not sure yet, but I had a good night's rest. As the weather is hot, that fan and AC combination, man, was bad. I'll just quickly go and freshen up. Probably have something to eat. Dive into the pool. Hey, yesterday was tiring, but it was also fun. Anywho, see you guys when I see you guys. La Hey guys, so we're about leaving. We have checked out from the apartment. Last night see, my eye bags are still swollen. I know I need sleep. We played games till very late before we went to sleep. Last night I don't know why it feels that way when something is coming to an end, something that that was fun is coming to an end. The last day is always either chaotic or fun. So ours was chaotic and fun as well. But we thank God we're about leaving, and yeah, that's it. I couldn't film last night because first of all I was the moderator for the game we played and it was just everywhere, so there was no time to film. But anywho's, this is my shit. Anywho's, let's go back to base. Hey guys, so I am back home. I literally just got back home now, just let's say about 2 minutes ago, like to my own house. We've been back since I guess 1 p.m. So as soon as we got back home, I slept off my brother's house. I slept in his room. There's AC, so I just switched on the AC and slept. You guys, I slept for, we were back around I guess to 1:32. I slept from then till I guess 8-ish or 7-ish.
Woke up, did a few things, and I stepped back again. For some reason, I was feeling some type of way. I think it was hunger, but I don't know. I felt some type of way. But anywho's, yeah, I'm back home now. Ordered food on my way and picked it up, and I'm about to chow, you guys. I'm having momos, by the way. Steamed momos and fried momos. This I was just about to say this retreat. This small staycation vacation thing we went for, it was much needed for almost everybody that was there. Almost everybody. Because you needed to, just get away from your known surrounding and just do whatever you feel like you want to do. You can do. Yeah, anyways, it was fun. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate. I know I've been off YouTube for a while, just a few months or a month, I guess. A lot has just been happening. So, but by God's grace, we are back now. Whew. Anyways, let me enjoy my food, and I'll see you guys in my next video.